Hello everyone, welcome back to another coin collecting video, and today I'm going to be unboxing this collection of coins. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. This is another grab bag from online, off of eBay, just in case you're wondering. Okay, 1910 Liberty V nickels, probably going to find a lot, not a lot, like 2 or 3 of these in this grab bag. So that's 1910. Alright. Okay. Then we have a 1954D wheat cent, another V nickel here, 1911 V nickel right there. A 1946 wheat cent, 1935 San Francisco Mercury dime. 1939 wheat cent, 1968. That guy's literally nothing. 1975, 1928 S Buffalo nickel, 1927 Buffalo nickel. Oh yes, Buffalo nickels. 1903 Indian head cent. What is this? 1927 wheat penny. 1959. 1957 and 55. Those are two more wheat cents, 1988 and 97. Then we got, sorry guys, it's raining outside. Then we got this cool one. I got one of these before. I really love these because it's a it's a typeset. Wow, that rain. So yeah, I got a lot of good stuff there. I really love these grab bags. They kind of just help you at least get one of each if you are not accustomed to it. I love getting like them, especially like if you're not that much like experienced of a coin collector, because then it's like, oh, these are all like super cool. But yeah, these are pretty much nothing. Those Jefferson nickels right there. Let's look at the memorial cents here. Okay, nothing super special about the memorial cents either. Like, that's just all kind of money that we use today. So yeah, nothing too crazy here. But then we have the beloved bag of wheat cents, which I love this part of the coins, of the grab bags, because it's like, it's just 25 wheat cents. You know, that's kind of a lot. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to read these off as usual. Okay, where should I put them? Okay, there. 1936, 1953, 1942, 1946, 1941, 1946, 1956, 1948, 1944, 1958, 1951, 1953, 1955. No double die obverse on that one. 1946, 1953, 1941, 1953, 1951, 1953, 1952, 1934, 1942. Normally there's like a really old one in here. 1946, 1951, and 1946. So I guess there isn't that one like old one. Okay, so this is all the coins in this grab bag. And for about, I think it was like 15 for all of it. Ish, 15 to 18, I think. That's pretty good for 15 to 18. You get basically 2 Buffalo nickels, 2 V nickels, Mercury dime, 3 steel pennies, which, I don't know, I still really love this type. I don't know why, I just love the holders on that. So yeah. But that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to link the eBay seller in the description below as always, and I'm also going to link mine because I am also an eBay seller, and I sell many things such as coins, kitchen equipment, tech equipment, car accessories, headphones. That was really weird. Headphones, clothes, just a little bit of everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Comment below on what your favorite coin is. Maybe if it's like, maybe you want to talk about your favorite set or your favorite individual coin, your favorite design, favorite year of coins. Like if you just like 1927, all the coins from 1927, all the types, like the type of quarter, all that stuff. Anything like that, just go ahead and leave in the description below. If you like this, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Just hit the button down below. And also, if you are wanting to see more of these types of videos, if you want to leave if you want to see other types of videos such as roll hunting videos or anything else like that, please consider subscribing. If you have any ideas for me that I could do for videos, definitely leave that in the description as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and keep on collecting.